Welcome to SolidWorks Solid Sheet Metal and Wekdments Modeling Training course, where you will learn how to create 3D models using solid modeling features, sheet metal features, and SolidWorks Wekdments features. My name is Muhammad and I will be your colleague and instructor for this training course. I began my career as process planning engineer in a plastic mold making company, so I was in direct contact with the field of CAD/CAM. After working in some companies as a design engineer, now I pursue my master's degree in CAD/CAM after 9 years of experience in this field. I designed this course to teach you what you really need to know and to show you how you can get the best out of the program. By the end of this course, you will be able to translate the ideas in your head to 3D models, and you will be able to model objects from beginner to intermediate level. I tried my best not only to focus on the features in SolidWorks or just to have examples that are only helpful for practice, but focus on using the tools that you really need, then to have a practice to strengthen the skills you gained, and finally, and most importantly, to have real-life examples so you can see where you can put the knowledge you will gain out of this course. If you never used the CAD program, or if you just know the basics, then this course is for you. The ideal students for this course are mechanical engineers, mechanical engineering college students, and anybody interested in 3D modeling. There are no necessary requirements to enroll. Before you enroll, there is a very important point to mention, which is that I'm not a native English speaker. So the language level in the course is the same as what you have been listening to for the past few minutes. If that's okay, I'll be happy to have you in the course and will be happier to answer all of your questions.